What's the buzz about AI technology replacing our jobs? It's true ChatGPT and other AI tools can automate some of our processes in a more intelligent way, and this understandably gets folks concerned. Hey, even Google had to make some adjustments out of fear of ChatGPT. Does that mean ChatGPT will replace copywriters? Did Sketch and Figma replace UX and UI designers? Did online card sorting tools replace UX researchers? Did computers replace people? No, no, no. These tools can be used to augment our output and help us rise to the next level. John Norman recently emphasized that AI is a collaborator rather than a replacer and guides us to success with ease. Together, we can make technology work for us and not the other way around. So a collaborator won't necessarily get the job done 100% right, but helps get the job done more easily. So AI is the new competition force, right? No, it's not. Let's turn the tables around. Let's use it. After all, this AI isn't so different from us. Sure, it might be more intelligent in some ways, but it's still limited. By recognizing and redefining our own job skills, we can effectively use AI as a collaborator. Time to rise to the challenge.